Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Automobile, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive care with the ultimate solution, the best car cleaning gel. Say goodbye to stubborn grime and hello to a sparkling clean ride. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and be sure to like, comment, and share your thoughts with us. Let's get started. Glowing Star. Number 1. Formulated Car Cleaning Gel, your go-to solution for maintaining a spotless interior. This universal detailing kit is a game-changer, effortlessly removing dust, dirt, and debris from hard-to-reach crevices with its innovative slime formula. Whether it's your car's air vents, keyboard, or any intricate interior detail, this automotive putty cleaner gets the job done with ease. The vibrant blue color adds a fun touch to your cleaning routine, while the reusable nature ensures long-term value. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning methods and hello to a convenient, effective solution with Formulated Car Cleaning Gel. Upgrade your car care arsenal today with this must-have accessory. Number 2. Car Cleaning Gel, the ultimate solution for meticulous car detailing and keyboard cleaning. This innovative gel boasts a versatile formula designed to effortlessly tackle dust, dirt, and debris in your car's vents and intricate keyboard crevices. With its vibrant purple hue, it not only cleans but adds a fun touch to your cleaning routine. The gel's unique composition molds itself to every contour, ensuring a thorough clean without leaving any residue behind. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning methods and hello to effortless precision with Car Cleaning Gel. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a tech aficionado, this cleaning slime is a must-have for maintaining immaculate interiors. Number 3. Color Corals Cleaning Gel, your ultimate solution for meticulous car detailing and household cleaning. This versatile gel cleaner tackles dirt and dust with ease, whether it's in your car's vents, keyboard crevices, or dashboard. With its innovative putty-like consistency, it conforms to any surface, efficiently picking up dirt particles without leaving residue behind. Say goodbye to stubborn dust and grime with this 160G cleaning kit that's designed to leave your car interior spotless and your household items sparkling clean. With Color Coral, maintaining a pristine environment has never been easier. Upgrade your cleaning routine today and experience the difference. Number 4. Cheers Devices Car Cleaning Gel 4-Pack. This comprehensive car cleaning kit is a game-changer for anyone serious about maintaining a spotless interior. With its innovative putty design, it effortlessly reaches into tight spaces like air vents, computer keyboards, and even laptop keys, effectively capturing dust and dirt. The universal compatibility ensures it's not just limited to cars but extends to various household electronics too. At 280G, it's ample for multiple uses, making it a cost-effective solution for your cleaning needs. Say goodbye to dusty corners and hello to a pristine interior with the Cheers Devices Car Cleaning Gel 4-Pack. Number 5. 5-Joy Car Cleaning Gels offer a hassle-free solution to keep your vehicle and gadgets squeaky clean. With this 4-pack of universal auto detailing tools, you'll breeze through interior cleaning tasks. The putty-like texture effortlessly lifts dust, dirt, and debris from hard-to-reach spots like keyboards, cameras, and car interiors. Each 2.8-ounce gel is versatile, making it suitable for multiple surfaces including PC tablets, laptops, printers, and calculators. Say goodbye to stubborn grime and hello to a sparkling clean environment with 5-Joy Car Cleaning Gels. Keep your belongings looking brand new with this convenient and effective cleaning solution. In conclusion, investing in the best car cleaning gel can truly elevate your vehicle's appearance and maintenance routine. With its versatile applications and effective results, this product is a must-have for every car enthusiast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and be sure to like and share this video with fellow car lovers.